Hey guys, we're gonna go back over the shower because it's cold and my goggles just drowned. And look at the pool right here. That one is really stairs on it. That one's more deeper. Like, oh wow. Can I see my little?
Leave your pants on. You're not.
It's more hotter. It's real hotter. Where's the chicken?
Chicken's in the refrigerator. Shower.
It's a shower.
Let me see what that bottle say.
It says lotion bottle.
Let me see.
I want to read it. It says lotion bottle cream O.
It says hair conditioner. Okay. Scrub your head. No, you're not done. See, this is what you do after you're done swimming. You gotta shower. That's it. You tell people, say, this is what you do after you're done swimming.
This is what you do after swimming.
You gotta shower.
I think that was hot.
No, say, this is what you do when you're done swimming.
This is what you do when you're done swimming.
Clean the chlorine, the pool water out.
I'm done.
Get some soap right there on top of your head. See that soap dispenser, shampoo? Yeah, push the button, the white button. Push it. There you go. Put it on your hair. Put it on your head. There you go. Good boy. Now scrub, scrub, scrub. Hurry up. Keep scrubbing till all the bubbles gone. You got more bubble on your back of your head. Scrub.
Thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And I cannot do thumbs up in the shower no more because my mom, she doesn't like me doing videos. But my dad, he does. So subscribe to the channel and click below. Bye bye. See what's on the next one. And we're gonna cook and grill the chicken.